Hello, everybody who are listening to us. Today, we are going to present our IoT service that is Smart Home Resource Controller that can calculate domestic resource usage and have control over it using IoT service. We have divided our presentation into three parts. First of all, we will talk about motivation to create our IoT service, then the creation process that is divided also into three parts, and then in the end, we will talk about open issues and next steps, and we'll say our final words. Okay, it's our team. Our team consists of 5 members, Urazboyev Akbar, Yangiboyev Telmurod, Temur Mannonov, Oyatullah Abdusattarov, it's me, and Madina Sadullaeva. First of all, we'll start talking about the main problems that we are encountering and motivation to create the IoT service that we are working on.
And the main problem is to solve. In our country, almost all citizens encounter problems with electricity, gas, or water usage bills. Most of us are busy with work and forget about the payment on resources we use it and have to pay extra money or even get deprived of electricity, water, or gas. So we need some solution to have control over these situations. Next. The motivation is our smart system is capable of real-time data sharing, anti-theft, self-healing, and smart power management is proposed in this project work. It is also allows suppliers and customers to access their device remotely and monitor it partially or remotely. And this device also uses IoT smart sensors to provide information on meter readings, power outages, and warning systems to generate an alarm when energy usage exceeds the prescribed limit. Next. Our new system automatically pay utility bills for gas, water, and tax. Next.
Yeah, good day, everyone. I'm Dilmurat Yangiboyev. As a part of a team, I would like to describe our IoT architecture and design. If we define IoT system architecture, it's often described as a 4-stage process. So, which data flows, in our case, from sensors attached to the things through a network. So eventually to a corporate data centers and the cloud for processing and analyzing the storage. In our case, our process will sort of sensors and actuators, the process and the connected devices that monitor all the and the system may perform some analytics as a part of a pre-processing. And the first and the final stage, our platform can be brought to bear to analyze and manage and secure store the data. This is a 3-tier architecture of our platform. This is quite simple to figure out what kind of architecture we have, and this includes all the components of our system which related to our devices. All sensors are part of this tier architecture, and of course this tier includes as well as a cloud service and some where all data source, data processing or analyzing of this data. Yes, thank you. My partner will continue, go further. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. My name is Akbar Razbayev. Now I will talk about devices and how to connect to IoT platform. So next one. So with the advent of narrowband IoT, utilities can now have cellular access all the way down to the meter, which is both feasible and useful in many situations. We will use it for smart metering because it is advantageous to utilities in every way. It gives us a great range of opportunities to create connections safe, cheap, and fast. Another aspect is that it is easily deployed and integrated with our devices and mobile application of users. It makes us less work to create infrastructure of connections between devices and server. Another big advantage is that we need less power to maintain connection between our devices using NB-IoT, and it is very important in areas where there is lack of power. So next slide. A typical challenge for companies implementing smart meters is how to integrate them within their infrastructure and set up custom tailored smart metering use cases. So the best way to achieve these goals is by using an IoT platform that offer numerous solutions and templates for smart metering. So we will use ThingsBoard platform. One of the advantages of it is data processing capabilities.
It's me again, Oyatullah Sattarov, and now I will talk about business and service model. First of all, we have business model of our IoT service. To get devices from different companies, we first of all need partners. They are electrical companies, Disong measuring current and our current partners, and then we have our key activities, and they are development of embedded systems, development of IoT hardware, and integrating them with our application and our server position, that is remote control, consistent measurement, and management of home meters and our building services. And in order to get our customers use our product, we have customer relationship. They are measurement apps, phone and metrics and dashboards that can monitor our customers monitor their activities. And we have revenue streams, and we can get acquire money from equipment sales and free from additional service fees to for example, for payment services and others payments. And we have service model that consists of three parts. First of all, we should acquire data from IoT devices through gateway, and we will process this data in our cloud or our server. And after successfully processing our data, we will redirect this data to our application, to our end users. And now we will talk about our future steps and our final words.
Hello, I'm Adina, and I'm going to talk about next steps. Continuous monitoring is needed to ensure cyber protection in the smart grid so that any potential threat can be identified quickly and necessary measures can be taken. The next steps to handle with issues will be taken. The first one is public key infrastructure. The next is anonymization. And the last one is privacy preserving smart metering. Please move on. And final remark. To summarize, the project was both interesting and useful because we studied current concepts and delved deeply into IoT technology. All concepts we've learned through this journey, like IoT device, protocol stack, communication and connectivity devices to platform, cloud computing will give great value in our future research and work. Also, we've learned how to connect and deploy protocol, IoT communication protocols model to our project work.
That's all we wanted to talk to you about our project, and thank you for your attention.